Come on, cleaning time, because today we'll be looking at Kimberly-Clark, or KMB for short, a company that focuses on 3 segments consisting of personal care brands, offering products like disposable diapers, feminine and incontinence care, consumer tissue, providing facial and bathroom tissue, paper towels, and napkins. And lastly, KC Professional provides products like wipers, tissue, and towels for businesses and workplaces. Kimberly-Clark purchases raw materials from third parties, primarily cellulose fiber, kraft pulp or recycled waste paper for tissue products, and fluff pulp and disposable diapers and other personal care items. Synthetic materials like polypropylene are used for non-woven fabrics in various products. For some products, super absorbent materials are essential components. This makes market fluctuations and supply constraints of these materials key factors which influence pricing and profitability. Going over some of KMB's highlights starting off this decade, with their largest customer being Walmart, which represented about 14% of their net sales in 2021. In 2022, Kimberly-Clark acquired a majority stake in Thinx, an industry leader in reusable period and incontinence underwear, and later purchased the remaining ownership in 2023. Additionally, they completed the sale of their Neve tissue brand and related assets in Brazil while securing a licensing agreement to allow the acquirer to manufacture and market in Brazil the Kleenex, Scott, and Wypal brands to consumers and away-from-home customers for a period of time. KMB's business is dependent on key retailers in developed markets, including large-format retailers and e-tailers. The consolidation of retail trade means the company faces significant bargaining power from customers who could demand higher discounts or allowances that would impact profitability, meaning changes in policy, such as inventory destocking or limitations on shelf space, could be of concern. Some emerging sources of competition to be vigilant of are low-cost private label products and e-commerce, which contribute to conventional competition by simplifying distribution and lowering barriers to entry. Consumer demand for Kimberly-Clark's products depends on factors like shifting purchasing patterns, economic growth, pricing actions, consumer preferences, and environmental impact concerns with, for example, packaging materials. Developing new products depends on anticipating consumer needs, funding technological innovations, and securing patent and trademark protection. Marketing new products also requires continued advertising support to maintain market position, mainly because some competitors may spend more aggressively on advertising. Quick and clean. Comment below if you like this kind of shorter, more concise format covering companies, or if you prefer more detailed long-form content. For more on KMB and other companies, please subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.